Mr. Bandit 81 here, aka the Sci-Fi Bandit, with a review on some toys I came across over at a store not too long ago. Never knew they packaged some toys here for Superman, Batman public enemies, but wild guess are probably just remakes of figures that came out with the DC Universe line, but couldn't resist. Not to mention Batman here looks pretty cool. Possible differences between these figures and ones that came out, but the Batman definitely has a different paint job on him here. Now, the store not only had these three in package, also these three. So, total of 6 figures in all. Superman, Lex Luthor in his battle armor, Power Girl, Captain Atom, Batman, and Black Lightning. Now both have the same package form. Batman on the corner here, Superman top left, pull background in the back, which is broken into 2 parts, but pretty cool looking nonetheless. Now here's where the packages vary, or it's different. Character info, but still got the same info here on the left here, which you can pause here to read, or I'll have it below the video. Info: Captain Atom, real name Nathaniel Atom, U.S. Air Force. Occupation: base of operation, Multiverse. Height, weight, eyes, hair. Same for Batman. Bruce Wayne. Industries, Philanthropist, crime fighter, Gotham. Black Lightning, Jefferson Pierce. Teacher, Superman, Clark Kent, journalist, Lex Luthor, Alexander, and Power Girl, Karen Starr. All the information will be on the video, or below the video. Other figures, I don't know if they're going to be in a 3-pack or separate cases. You got Batman, Superman, President Luthor, Lex Luthor out of his battle armor and in his business suit, Major Force, and Hawkman. 3 in the corner here, plus same lineup here on the left, but with a reverse of characters here. You got Superman, Luthor or Power Girl, Captain Atom, Batman, Black Lightning. President Lex Luthor uses the impending threat of a giant kryptonite asteroid hurtling towards Earth to frame Superman and declare a bounty on the heads of the Man of Steel and Batman. Heroes and villains alike launch a relentless pursuit to bring these public enemies to justice. Evading the onslaught, Superman and Batman must unite to stop the asteroid, save the world, and uncover lUTHOR's devious plot. I will say one thing. I did look to see if the other figures were on the shelf with these two packages. They only had these. Would not have mind getting my hands on lUTHOR without the power suit, but figure looks cool nonetheless. Plus, the power suit he's got looks about the same as another version, but without the missile launchers on it. Time to take him out of the package. Okay, here we got him out of the package. Paint design looks about the same as the DC Universe line of toys that came out. Plus, these characters kind of have a different setup to them, looks like. Well, it's probably about half and half on some. Hit and miss. Between Black Lightning and Lex Luthor here. Just got the moving forwards in the hip area. Movement in the left and right there. They probably got a little bit more than some of the figures, but full rotation in the shoulders, in the elbows, plus a little bit of movement above the wrist area in both arms. Movement in the knees and ankle joints. Now, Batman, Superman, and Captain Atom here have a few things that some of the other figures don't. An extra ball point here, or joint, for movement. Same movement in the knees, ankle area, but as you can tell, difference in the where the legs are. Got movement in the head and in the elbows, joint, or wrist area. I will say this, I like the color scheme they got on bats here. Pretty cool. lUTHOR, well, like the other version of him out in his armor, just got the up and down movement, got a full turn in this part here at the elbow, movement in the wrist. Can't really move the arms forward. They have movement in the hip area, plus in the knee, and none in the ankles. But it's pretty cool. And compared to this with the other one, no place for the missile launcher. Pretty cool color scheme on it. And Superman here, same as Batman and Captain Atom. I'll say this, with the capes on these guys, easier to stand. Don't have to careful on how you stand them or anything without them falling back due to the capes. Got movement in the elbows, wrist. Well, cape in the way here. You got the full 360 turn here, plus one of his hands here is opened. And last but not least, Power Girl. Like most of the other ladies or female heroes, villains, got the same detail. Not much on movement here in the hip area. So trying to sit her down like a vehicle, or say the Enterprise playset in one of the chairs, not going to happen. Now, without looking a bit awkward, but other than that, just got the full front and back movement here. No joints or anything to lift the arm up to the side. Movement in the rib cage area. No joints in the ankle though, but you do have movement in the knees. Looks like the actual character from the cartoon. Details spot on. Well, and all of the figures look pretty good, with one or two exceptions from earlier releases. $12 for a piece for the two cases. Not too bad, I guess. Saw some other figures there, but thought these would do just as good. Well, that's all for now. Have a good one.